Hi friends, welcome to Nishasfoodhut. Today I'm going to share the Ragi breakfast smoothie recipe. This is dairy-free and sugar-free smoothie. It's loaded with fiber, protein and natural healthy fats. No banana, no added sugar. For that, I'm going to take 1.5 spoons of sprouted ragi flour. Now here I'm going to add 1/4 cup of water and dilute the ragi flour well with the water. I'm mixing it really well. Ragi or finger millet is highly nutritious whole grain and it's completely gluten free. Now the reason why I'm using sprouty ragi flour is that once ragi flour is potted, the vitamin C levels tends to increase and leads to easy absorption. For that, in a bowl I'm adding 1 cup of water. Let it get hot. I'm going to add the diluted ragi mixture to the water and I'm going to mix it without any lumps. Here I'm going to add 1/2 inch of cinnamon. Give a good mix until the mixture is thickened. Your weight loss journey is a very easy one when you begin with such a smoothie recipe. Allow the water to warm up, and once the mixture is thickened, we can reduce the flame step by step. If you see now, I have taken the cinnamon stick out of the ragi mixture. I'm going to grind it with the smoothie. So now I'm going to switch off the flame, let it cool. In a mixer jar, here I'm going to add soaked almonds with the skin. I have taken 8 almonds. Soaked cashews, 10. Now if you see, you can also add dates. Instead of that, I'm going to add soaked raisins that are very tangy in flavor. 10 number of raisins I'm going to add. So now after adding all these dry fruits, I'm going to give a grind that is very rough. So now if you see, the dry fruits are grinded well. Now I'm going to add the ragi mixture along with the cinnamon stick in it. It has completely, make sure it is completely cooled down. After it's cooled down, I'm here to add 1 medium size of apple with its skin peeled. Now here I'm going to just perfectly blend well all these ingredients very smooth. Here in this smoothie, we are using a well-attained source of vitamin D source that is naturally present in ragi. Vitamin D absorption needs a good source of healthy fat. So now if you see, our smoothie is ready without no banana, no sugar added to it. This is very nutritious. And the taste of this goes very tempting. If you have it once, you will definitely take another liking towards it to have it more and more. If you like this video, please do subscribe to Nishasfoodhut and please press the bell icon for my future notifications. Stay watching. Thank you.